Okay, here are all of the fire alarms in my school since kindergarten. In my elementary school were Edwards EST 892 electronic horn strobes. With the dual fire lettering on the lens of the strobe. That was what most of the alarms were. And in the library of that school was an Edwards EST 792 pre-integrity horn strobe, and outside was the regular Edwards integrity horn strobe. All of those alarms were set to continuous. And when they went off, they sounded like this. And the alarm outside sounded like this. And that school had a modular with Edwards EST Genesis horn strobes on the inside and Edwards EST Integrity remote horns on the outside, set to temporal free. When the elementary school building got renovated, the 892 got replaced with the white circular ceiling mount EST Genesis horn strobes. And the outside alarms were still integrities. My middle school, same thing. My high school has Edwards EST Integrity horn strobes and some Edwards EST Genesis horn strobes, and some Edwards EST Integrity remote horns. Every single pull station in my school since kindergarten were Edwards EST 270 SPOs. The one that has the pull in case of fire text on the pull bar, so it tells you to only pull it if there is a fire, and with a glass rod that breaks when you pull it. So it provides evidence that someone pulled the fire alarm, with stopper covers with a built-in alarm over them. And Unfortunately, they require a stupid screwdriver to reset. That is the only downside about those things on the wall. But other than that, those things are good, and they are in perfect condition. And my high school's alarm is eh. Yep. That's what the alarm sounds like in my school. Bye.